Ice. It blankets our planet's poles, drapes across high mountain peaks and forms a shimmering skin on frozen lakes and rivers. These vast frozen reservoirs play a vital role in regulating Earth's temperature, reflecting sunlight back into space and keeping our climate stable. They are essential sources of fresh water, slowly releasing meltwater that sustains rivers and ecosystems, yet these frozen treasures are under threat. As global temperatures rise, ice is melting at an alarming rate, with consequences that will be felt around the world. The most immediate and visible impact of melting ice is rising sea levels. Imagine a glass of water with ice cubes. As the ice melts, the water level in the glass rises. The same principle applies to our oceans. As glaciers and ice sheets melt, they release vast quantities of water into the oceans, causing sea levels to climb. The consequences of rising sea levels are profound. Coastal erosion will accelerate, threatening homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Low-lying islands and coastal communities could be entirely submerged, displacing millions of people. The very geography of our planet is at stake. Imagine a world where bustling coastal cities like Miami, Shanghai, and Mumbai are partially or completely underwater. This is the stark reality we face if all the ice melts. The human cost of such a scenario is almost unimaginable. Millions of people would be displaced from their homes, forced to seek refuge inland. The economic consequences would be equally devastating. Ports and harbors, vital for trade and transportation, would be inundated. Coastal industries, from tourism to fishing, would be crippled. The global economy would be thrown into disarray. Section 4. A world transformed, climate and weather in flux. Melting ice will not only reshape our coastlines, but also disrupt global climate and weather patterns. Ice reflects sunlight back into space, helping to regulate Earth's temperature. As ice melts, this reflective surface shrinks, leading to further warming and amplifying the effects of climate change. We can expect more extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods and droughts. Ocean currents, which play a crucial role in distributing heat around the planet, could be disrupted, leading to unpredictable and potentially catastrophic changes in weather patterns. Section 5. A cry from nature. Wildlife and ecosystems at risk. The impact on wildlife and ecosystems will be equally profound. Polar bears, seals and walruses rely on sea ice for hunting, breeding and raising their young. As sea ice disappears, these iconic creatures face an uncertain future. Rising sea levels and changing ocean temperatures will also have devastating effects on coral reefs, which provide habitat for a quarter of all marine species. Entire ecosystems will be disrupted, leading to a loss of biodiversity and the collapse of food chains.